Scotty, do you have to be so damn noisy?
What?
Exactly. So, old expansion valves down here. Here's my new one. Threads are all the same on both sides. There's some visual differences. Obviously, this one's more of a modern style, but serves the same purpose, does the same thing, does the same job. Bada boom, bada bing, it's a beautiful thing. Forget about it,
Forget about it.
Forget about it. So we're going to get it on there. Hey, Bernsey.
Hi.
We're going to get it on here. We're going to get it on here right now, you see. And then Bernsey and I are going to go underneath the dash and have fun together.
You're getting underneath the dash. I heard you need to stretch a little bit.
Yeah, so I'll do that.
I'll bring
I'll probably have you do the nuts when I get them through the thing, and we'll figure it out.
Oh, that's right, huh? Underneath the hood, right?
Yeah. It'll be just fine.
Everything's gonna be just peachy.
All right, so we're gonna carry on.
What's up, buddy?
You're cleaning up threads here on the top, the brackets here. Nice. That's good because those are a little nasty.
Little?
Okay, that one especially was really gross. So we're taking care of that. Expansion valve was done, and then adding capacitors and brakes. And then we can slide this in there and go from there.
About time.
It doesn't take long to do it. It's just...
It's hot.
It's hot and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of effort, but... So we should have it hopefully charged by the time I go home. And then we'll finalize and get back to Tom tomorrow. All right. Vacuum pump is pumping. Oh yeah. All hooked up here. Looking good, styling. Very nice. All our lines are done. Our underdash unit mounted up. Ready to go. Was right on the vacuum for about what, half hour?
About that.
All right, so I'm probably gonna shut our gauges here. And turn the pump off. And let's see how we do. All right, come back in a couple minutes, see if they moved. All right, so we're charged, but with the ambient temp that we have today, we are definitely just a hair on the weak side on a weak compressor. I mean, we have colder air out of the vents, so we got that going for us. And eventually I'd like to see Tom maybe get a compressor, but other than that, I don't have any qualms. But the compressor on this is easy to do, so I actually have some in stock. Nice new aluminum ones. So down the road here in a little bit, maybe we'll do that with Tom.